everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Anand Yogsala. My friends, today I'm going to show you the one variation of the posture related to hip opening. Okay, so my friends, for this posture, okay, especially what we have to get some specific body warm up, okay, especially related to hip. So let's start, my friends. So for that, what we have to do, make the legs straight first, okay, here. So please bend left leg to knee, okay, here. Place both hands like that, okay, here, please. Or you can maybe interlock the hands, okay, here. Inhale, bring the legs up. Exhale down. If you think you're feeling quite uncomfortable hardness, so you can bring hands up like that, okay. Then inhale up. Exhale down. 2 more times. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale down. So in this time we need to hold, okay, here. Inhale up and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Exhale down. In the final, so we have to bring left hand in. So please use shin bone or maybe shin bone muscles, okay, here. The calf muscles, we have to go over the shoulders. Then bring the left hand like over the head and then hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then bring the left leg down. Then make your left leg straight, circulars. So before we are using the chair, okay, here in this posture. So okay, so first we will try without chair in this posture. So first we will come into the bend like knee, okay, here. So then we have to cross the left hand, right hand to catch ankle, please, okay, here. And then slowly bend elbows, place on the floor, and slowly left hand, okay, here. But remember equal line. Okay, then we need to cross our hand. Okay, and then you can hold here this one. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slowly come back, okay, here. Exhale down. So first we will practice, okay, here this posture with the left side and the right side, and after that we will use the chair, okay, here. Okay, so let's use the chair now. Okay, so for that what we have to do, so I'm just going to just a normal way, okay, the simple way, okay. So we have to bring the step back, okay, here. Remember, we need to place our knee here, not so much bring in. So in the corner we have to tuck here, or maybe you can foot tuck here also. So bring the left leg forward. So it should be equal line, please remember, okay, here. After that, cross your left hand. Make sure you can make balance easily and catch ankle, and make sure you can cross your head like that, okay, here, this one. And this one maybe you can hold, okay, here, like that. Then we can hold 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If you want a more difficult, so we can cross your hand like that, okay. First you can cross leg, then bring leg up, okay, and then catch again, and then hold here like 1, and you can make any sign 2, 3, or maybe you can fall down like that sometimes. So you need to be aware when you practice this posture, okay, because this time we need to make more balance, okay, here. So like that we can practice the chair with this posture. So I hope you will enjoy that. Thank you so much.